Random Parts Man brings you unboxing of Milwaukee M12 fuel 1/4 inch ratchet. This is the tool only. I purchased the 3/8 M12 fuel ratchet with 2 batteries and charger already, so I got this one here to add to the collection. Waiting on the 1/2 inch drive to come out, but it isn't out as of yet. Pretty simple. The brush version had 30 torque. This one is up 10 to 40. Smaller head profile. Greater durability. And brushless motor. Red link and all that other stuff is included as well. Part number 2556-20. This is for the bare tool only. 1/4 inch ratchet. Let's see what it does. Wow, they make you work for it. And there she blows. There's a manual in there. I'm sure that's warranty manual. This is the manual. Oh, same manual for all 3 ratchets. Okay, I have a m12 battery. Check this bad boy out. Brushless. 1/4 inch ratchet. LED light, unlock button, locks the switch, opens the switch, battery fuel gauge, she lights up, she lives. Touch control with these tools, with the brushless version over the brushed. And this version, the newer version, has an electrical brake. The brush version does not. Although you still have a lot of control with the brush version, you have immediate stopping when you release it. Electrical brake. Solid tool. Very solid tool. I'll try to make a video comparing or side by side this and the 3/8 while I wait on the 1/4 inch. Check it out.